Here's a quick video on how to download LumaBooth. So you're going to go to DSLRbooth.com/download. You're going to click right here, download for Windows. Then you're going to type in your email. Click here on open. Click yes. We already said yes once. We don't need to do it twice. All right, hit next. Agree, next, install. Okay, so make sure you have DSLR closed. So let's go and close that. Let's retry. What is happening here? There it is. Sorry for the background noise. So once it installs, you're good to go. It may have another framework that you can install, but that's only if it asks you. It'll tell you once you open LumaBooth if there's anything else that you're gonna need to install. But once this is done, just go through the checks of next, next, next. Once it's installed, you can also restart your computer as well to get everything functioning correctly. All right, 100. This is what I was talking about. So some computers will do this by itself. Others, you'll have to go and download it from a browser, and it'll give you the link too. So, all right, does take a little bit longer, but there's a lot of pros moving over to LumaBooth. Like the photo strips, you never have to make photo strips again. There's 820 photo strips already pre-made, which is going to save you a lot of time and energy. Just type in the name and you're good to go. All right, so let's see, waiting for this to be completed. And if you guys are going to be doing this on iPhone or Mac, just download it there. It's the same exact layout. All right, almost done. Let's check this off and finish, and it'll open up LumaBooth. And that's how you successfully download LumaBooth for Windows computers.